Alright, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do the basic twirl, which looks like this. Alright, now to do this move you need to first hold your knife by the safe handle and flick out, and as you're doing this you want to take your three fingers when you're holding like this, just take them and put them under, and throw the knife up over so it's on your middle finger like that. And as you're doing so, you want to take your ring finger and throw it under, and then throw up over your middle finger again, so it looks like that this time. And what I like to do is flick back over and grab it with my pointer finger, flick it out, around, down, and up, so I have it in the open position. So again, it's back, back, loop around, around, grab, flick up, then back, grab, loop around, spin, twirl, down, up, catch, open.